Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. This is Correct Bet. Another new tricks for GoGo and over 2.5 is back. This is GoGo and over 2.5. The tricks is back. You can get 2 odd, short 2 odd on it, 4 2 odd on it, 10 odd, short 10 odd on it. This is back. GoGo and over 2.5. There is a tricks I'm using on this and it's working perfectly. This is what I just got right now. So if you need these tricks, you can chat me on WhatsApp on 07036760527. I repeat, 07036760527. In case you want these tricks. This is a GoGo and over 2.5. There is a strategy I use on this. So I've been monitoring this for long. But today, and I'm seeing the result is coming well. So today I decided to stake this. You can see this one because I'm very, very sure of it. So I decided to stake this amount. As you can see this one, stake 11k on it. Then I stake this one 2k on it. This one is 4.56 odd. So these trees, you don't need to pick much. Even if you want 10 odd, you can just pick like maybe 4 games only. You just get your 10 odd and stake high. So this trick is working perfectly. And remember, this is a Zoom. This is Zoom, our normal Zoom soccer. It's not live match. It's our normal Zoom soccer. So this trick is working perfectly. There's a strategy I'm using on this. And all the GoGo and over 2.5 comes with 2 odd. It comes with 2 odd. It can play at any time. There is no time it will not play. All you need to know is the strategy, where to go to, and things to know before you pick any odd you see on GoGo over 2.5. There is no particular odd to pick. Any odd you see on GoGo over 2.5, GoGo and over 2.5. Once you see the trees, once I make a video for you, you see the trees, you go and pick it. You can get your 2 odd, 4 odd, 10 odd for people doing rollover, and for those who, for example, if you want a 2 odd that you want to double any amount you have that you want to double it, you can use 2 odd to double it. You can use 3 odd, 4 odd to double it. You can use 10 odd to double that amount that you want to double times 10. Remember, 10 odd, any amount you put on 10 odd is times 10. So any amount you put on 2 odd is times 2. Any amount you put on 3 odd is times 3. Any amount you put on 4 odd is times 4. So this trace is just simple. There is no too much stress on it on Zoom. So it's working even though when the new season starts, it's working. Even when the season is ending, it's working. So I've already taken my time, monitor this and see that it's working. So let me just cash out this. Already won. You see it, GoGo and over 2.5, GoGo plus over 2.5. You see it. It worked for over 2.5 too, and also work for GoGo, and also work for GoGo plus over 2.5. It work for 3 options. Even work simply on over 1.5, but you know those one will be a small odd. GoGo work perfectly too on GoGo, but you know those one is a small odd. But if you want to get from 2 odd upward, you go for GoGo over 2.5. Let me cash out this. Yeah, already dropped. So you see profit made. Total I used to stake it, this is, the first one is 11. I used to stake it. Then the second one is 2 2. That is 11 plus 2 is 11 to 3. Okay, 11. That is 13,000 something is what I used to stake it. Then see the profit made. once you minus 13,000 something out of 33k, you see the profit made. So if you're getting this every day in a month, you will get more than your salary at work. You get more than your salary if you're getting this, because there is a must that you must get it every day. So if you're getting this every day in a month, you know how much you make. Like you decide now to pick only 2 odd every day and stake 10k, you are sure of 10k again. You cash it out. If you're getting it every day, check it in a month for 30 days. Check how much it is. 10k times 13 days, 30 days, you know how much it is. So, and check that your salary they are earning. So, all right, this is it. In case you want the trace, chat me on WhatsApp.